Hello to everyone. My name is René Schöberl and I'm since over 10 years with ANDRITZ, where I started as General Project Manager for ANDRITZ Hydro, and since about 4 years I'm now with ANDRITZ Air Pollution Control. Here I'm in charge for sales and business development topics with a strong focus in the maritime industry. Today I will talk about maritime scrubbers. A very often question is, what is the advantage of ANDRITZ scrubbers? ANDRITZ is a very well-known scrubber supplier and provides, besides the standardized solutions, also customized scrubbers. In case a customer has special requests and needs, we use to develop the right solution for each demand. We have designed, for example, a rectangular bypass scrubber that the customer has less cargo loss on his container vessel. Here you can see some scrubbers from the ANDRITZ portfolio. As you know, we have references for all scrubber types ranging from open loop to hybrid. We have delivered them either in round or rectangular, as inline or bypass version. One major advantage from our rectangular inline scrubber is the smallest footprint, and with our sound portfolio we can provide the right solution for your special needs. On this picture you can see that ANDRITZ is using an open spray tower with ANDRITZ Pentadet inlet as well as FGD plus layer. Additionally, you can see also that the spray banks and the mist eliminator. On the right hand side is a CFD optimization, what we are doing internally for each and every project. We are also using CFD for modeling the overboard discharge pipes, which is a special design from ANDRITZ. An additional advantage from ANDRITZ spray scrubbers is the highest availability due to low risk of clogging. ANDRITZ is using in general very high-grade materials, such as SMO or alloy 31, as we don't accept any compromise in quality. As we have various materials on stock, we also can guarantee deliveries in short time. Besides a common installation at berth or in a shipyard, also an installation during operation can be offered. We are also proud to inform you that all our scrubbers can be manufactured in ANDRITZ internal workshops around the world. Here you can see some of our pictures from our workshop. As mentioned before, ANDRITZ is used to provide standardized and as well as customized solutions in order to meet the individual requirements for each customer, respectively for each vessel. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website andritz.com/SeaSOx and contact us. Thank you.